iDesignCourse.
Design Sprint Masterclass by Jonathan Courtney and Jake Knapp. Learn everything you need to start running your own design sprints with confidence. The official Design Sprint course from AJ&Smart and Jake Knapp. The toolkit that teaches you not just the design sprint process, but the art of running and selling stress-free sprints with confidence and success. The official Design Sprint Masterclass includes everything you need to start running sprints in a matter of days. 70+ videos that take you through every step of the design sprint process. Actual resources, slide decks and checklists that we use at AJ&Smart when running sprints with our clients. Access to a hyper-engaged community of sprinters that can support you on your learning journey. Access to regular coaching calls, led by senior AJ&Smart Sprint team members, and occasionally Jake Knapp himself. Access to updates and new resource additions whenever we add them. You can rest assured that you'll always be learning the most up-to-date version of the sprint with us. By taking this course, you'll be a certified AJ&Smart Design Sprint Facilitator. We issue a signed certificate upon completion, signed by us and Jake Knapp. The survey conducted among the Design Sprint Masterclass alumni shows higher work satisfaction and increased revenue for course participants. 92% of Design Sprint Masterclass graduates enjoy their work more after learning the sprint. 94% are confident that knowing the design sprint will further their career. 47% of the graduates have earned an additional $10,000 to $50,000 after taking the course. 13% surveyed grads have added between $50,000 and $100,000.
Above is everything we wanted to introduce you to about this course. For more details, you can click on the link below in the comments section. If you're looking for further development in design, I would like to recommend an excellent resource, iDesignCourse.com. iDesignCourse is an online training website specializing in graphic design, UI/UX, and web programming. Here, you can find high-quality courses taught by industry-leading experts. Visit iDesignCourse.com to explore exciting and engaging courses. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss any similar videos in the future. Wishing you a fantastic day, and see you next time.